to Kids Nursery Learn. Today we are going to learn the ABC alphabet. You will see the big letters and the small letters together. Are you ready to learn and have fun? Let's start the ABC adventure.
A, capital A, small a. B, capital B, small b. C, capital C, small c. D, capital D, small d. E, capital E, small e. F, capital F, small f. G, capital G, small g. H, capital H, small h. I, capital I, small I. J, capital J, small j. K, capital K, small k. L, capital L, small l. M, capital M, small m. N, capital N, small n. O, capital O, small o. P, capital P, small p. Q, capital Q, small q. R, capital R, small r. S, capital S, small s. T, capital T, small t. U, capital U, small u. V, capital V, small v. W, capital W, small w. X, capital X, small x. Y, capital Y, small y. Z, capital Z, small z.
Next time won't you sing with me?
Great job, kids! Today we learned the ABC letters. Thank you for learning with Kids Nursery. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next fun lesson. Bye!